In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account on Amazon. Whether you're setting up for convenience, ensuring your payments are streamlined, or simply wish to manage your payments directly through your bank, this process is both straightforward and essential for any Amazon user. Let's dive right in, shall we? First things first, you need to access your account settings. Start by logging into your Amazon account, which you can do either from the website or directly through the app if that's more convenient for you. Once you're in, head over to Your Account. Now, depending on whether you're using a browser or the app, you might see this labeled slightly differently, like Account and Lists. No worries, it all leads to the same place. Under this section, look for Your Payments or Payment Options. This is where all your current payment methods are stored, and it's your gateway to adding a new one. Now that you're in the payment section, it's time to add a new payment method. Keep an eye out for the option that says Add a new payment method, or something similar like Add a payment method. Once you've found that, click on it and select Add a personal checking account. The exact wording might vary a bit depending on your region or account type, so it might say Add a bank account or Use a new bank account. At this point, it's time to input your bank account details. This is an important step, so take your time to ensure accuracy. You'll need to provide a few pieces of information. Start with the account holder's name, which should match exactly as it appears on your bank statements. Then enter the bank name. Following that, you'll need your bank account number and the routing number. The routing number is particularly important for users with U.S. accounts. If you're setting up an international bank account, you might also be asked to provide a SWIFT or BIC code. Each piece of information is crucial to ensure your account is linked correctly. With your details filled in, Amazon may require verification of your bank account. This is Amazon's way of making sure that everything lines up correctly. Verification can happen in a couple of ways. They might send 2 small test deposits to your account, and you'll need to check your bank statement to verify these amounts. Alternatively, if your bank supports it and you have online access credentials, you might even verify your account instantly. Finally, once you've entered all necessary details and completed any verification process, don't forget to save your changes. After saving, take a moment to confirm that your bank account has indeed been added as a payment method. And there you have it. Your bank account is now linked to your Amazon account, ready for you to use as you make those all-important purchases. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping on Amazon.